Hello. Are you looking for the evidence analysis you need when writing about the character Gerald? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore Gerald in the play and Inspector Calls. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. Unless Eric's been up to something, nodding confidently to Burling, and that would be awkward, wouldn't it? Preaches incorporate dramatic irony, as it is every member of the family who have been up to something. Awkward, whilst also playing down the events to follow, also demonstrates that the plight of the working class is meaning inconvenience for him and not the major problem that he should see it as. After all, we're respectable citizens and not criminals. Priestley is suggesting that Burlings, who represent the audience and the middle classes, may not consider themselves criminals, but have in fact helped to murder Eva Smith, who represents the working class. The fact that this is from the perspective of the character highlights that they only consider their view, helping to highlight the insular nature of the middle and upper classes. That man wasn't a police officer. The plot twist enables the character to begin to feel that they have escaped punishment. However, the fact still remains that they have sinned and should therefore be prepared to aid the working class, which is the point Priestley wants to make. So thank you. Let's begin to use that evidence and ideas in our own essay, shall we? Good luck.